Who is a spiritual person? Most of the people in the world do not understand this. They feel that only those people who are in the attire of gurus and pandits are the ones who are spiritual. But they are absolutely mistaken. They are all commercial people who are making money from people who are blind to what they are doing. If you move around in the world and talk to people and see their behavior, you will find that spiritual people are absolutely different from one a common thinking is about. I had met many people while doing research survey, and what I found was these people are absolutely selfless and only think of others, their their savings and their benefits, and what nice things they can do for them. One such girl I found while surveying and talking to her. She told me that whenever she has gone out for lunch or dinner with somebody, maybe the family people or maybe the friends or outsiders, she never ordered anything specifically for herself. She would just take a bit from everybody and that would made her full food. That was stunning. Her food requirements were so less that she could manage from others. While other people, they hog like anything. They have their own full share, full order, maybe two orders. There was a man whom I was dining one day. He had three orders for himself alone. And lot of juices, one after the other. While I had just taken a sip from one, he had finished five by the time. So strange to see people engaged only in food and thinking nothing bigger than this. I went to USA and there also I did the same thing when I was dining with some relatives. I never had anything special for myself. On the contrary, I was dining with a girl who was a bit mentally retarded, but she also grabbed her own full order and would not let anybody share from that, which was very funny. When I tried to take from hers, she bluntly refused. So, wherever I went, I found that people are virtually splurging in eating too much. Not only too much, eating and drinking as per their special choices, whether they are available or not. They would make sure that they get what they want, howsoever expensive. There was a man who was womanizer and drunkard and was not earning, who married a lady and threw her off after using her. He had very special choices in food. He would eat only non seasonal food. For example, peas, cauliflower in winters. Sorry, not in winters, in summers. And lady finger and all those and other vegetables which are available in summers, he would take in winters. They were highly priced, but he would make sure that he gets it. A non-earning member would eat lot of sugar in milk, only special coffee, Nescafe, no other brand, only branded clothes he would wear, branded shoe, branded watches, no money. He would sell off his mother's jewelry. Father was special inclined to him. He would fulfill all his desires. So these people who are living in this world also include those people who throw everything in the dustbin. They will not care for the fact that the food they are throwing, the money they are using to buy so much of food can be of use to those who are not getting even a little bare food to sustain. Now, can these gurus or sadhus or priests or the politicians or the various forum heads think of those who do not have anything? They still want to fill their own pockets, which are already overfull, and show off this black money around. So, how will the world change when people have such mindset? Only these mindsets favor their own kind of mindsets, and not those who are really good and who are really serving the household with economies and serving the society with their good and beneficiary thoughts. They are left alone on their own. So we really need to work on the whole system, the whole of this family and social system which comprises this world, which is just moving on and on because of their foolish karmas, and God is punishing them birth after the birth. This they do not realize. The rapist, chronic rapist, he will not spare the victim in front of him. No. Similarly, a cheat who finds that the person in front of him is gullible and is simple and is good will always cheat, whether it is for money or whether it is for relationship. But they fail to realize that they will be paid back the way they have